Alright, this first lesson will cover regular Portuguese conjugations under the present tense. All regular Portuguese verbs have one of three endings. They are AR, ER, or IR verbs. There is an exception for the irregular verb por and its derivatives such as impor and supor. So each group of verbs have their own conjugations or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The Portuguese subject pronouns are eu, tu, ele, ela, você, o senhor, a senhora, nós, vós, eles, elas, vocês, os senhores, as senhoras. Você and tu are both singular informal versions of you, and the second person plural pronoun vos is archaic and rarely used. Você is often used to replace tu, and it almost always replaces vos due to the latter being obsolete for the most part. And the endings for the singular pronouns você, o senhor, a senhora, ele, and ela are identical, and the endings for the plural pronouns vocês, os senhores, as senhoras, eles, and elas are identical. Under the present tense, as well as the imperfect and preterite, we simply remove the infinitive ending and then add the respective endings to that stem. The present tense endings for AR verbs are o, as, a, amos, ais, am. So for the verb falar, we remove the AR ending, giving us a stem fal, and to this stem we add the respective present tense endings afterwards. Falo, falas, fala, falamos, falais, falam. The present tense endings for ER verbs o, es, e, hemos, eis, em. For the verb comer, we remove the ER ending, giving us a stem com, and to this we add the respective present tense endings. Como, comes, come, comemos, comeis, comem. And the present tense endings for IR verbs o, es, e, imus, is, em. So for the verb decidir, we remove the IR ending, giving us a stem decide, and to this we add the respective present tense endings afterwards. Decido, decides, decide, decidimos, decidis, decide. And notice that the present tense ER and IR verb endings are mostly identical, with the exception of the nos and vos endings. So that is a basic summary of regular present tense Portuguese verb conjugations. I apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not actually a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.